after you get your clothes out of the washer. Wait, what's that? Is that the fabled yellow scarf? The scarf that is only held by the shut up. The yellow scarf only held by the Purell Royalty Advanced kills 99.9% of germs. And it's held by them, but it's in my washing machine. So that means I kidnap 2 times sanitizing strength. But how did I do such a thing? Who knows? Only me. And that's before I met Donkey and Ryan Howell. And that's before Diddy Kong saved the Earth, but after I washed my clothes. So it's a sequel, prequel, but prequel to the I I tear up thinking of the juiciness that Purell brings.